Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Oh yeah, feel the burn. Yep, another one of these come in with the grease plug missing on the gear head. You would not believe how many times I have seen this. It's unbelievable. Customers don't even notice it's gone. I'm just going to pull this gear head off just to make it a little bit easier to show you. Look how easy that was. Right there. There's a grease port right there that's supposed to have a plug in it. There's no plug in there. Listen to this. I'll put it up by my microphone so you can maybe hear it a little bit better. You hear that? You see how easy that spins? There's no grease in this. That plug's been out for a while. And not only that, I can actually see the gear in there. No grease, and it's sort of surrounded by dirt also. So that's been running like that. It's getting sand, it's getting dirt in there. Now the grease is not doing anything anymore. The grease is actually doing the opposite now because the sand and dirt in there is turning that grease into grinding compound. It would be better if there was no grease in here at all rather than having dirt in there. So I don't think there's anything actually worn out in this because it's tight. I can't feel any, it's not loose at all, but we have to clean that out. So I'm not going to bore you with that. I see this all the time. What I do is I take some carb spray and just put that red tube in there and just squirt carb spray or brake cleaner or something like that and try to flush out as much of the dirt as you can. And then I'm going to take my air gun nozzle, put it in there, dry out as much of that stuff as I can, and re-grease it with that right there. And put the new plug in. If you guys want to know what the plug part number is, it is 41197136500. And you can obviously you can buy these at any Stihl small engine shop, any dealer. I can't find one online, to be honest with you, so you're kind of stuck with that. The key is don't lose it. That little unit right there fell out somewhere in somebody's grass, didn't notice it. You're looking at that as you're using it, you don't notice that thing's gone. This is just a friendly reminder. It's not really a how to repair anything video, but it's a friendly reminder for you to go out there and check your machine right now and make sure that that plug is on there. Make sure that there's grease in it. If you just have nothing else to do, make sure that that sucker is tight on there to avoid this problem. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it's amazing how many of these units I've seen over the years come in where that little plug is missing. Till the next video, everybody, cheers, and Steve out.